Welcome to Ask and Learn.
Hello students, in this question we'll be discussing about the contriving descent demonstration theory of Vogel. Now this finds out the relation between molecular diffusion and multicellularity. So this explains that diffusion, which is a free movement of molecules from high concentration to low, is affected in multicellular system because of increasing distance from one cell to another, and increases complexity and it introduces selective transport of molecules within the complex multicellular system, and therefore, in spite of limitations of diffusion of some molecules within the cell, within the organism body, the multicellularity has led to adaptability of new mechanisms of transport. Efficient mechanisms of efficient transport system. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you.